So let's start with the first step, guys. So this is going to be the first thing we have to do here in Tollanis. So this is getting started, or we call initiation and documentation. So our credentialing begins by gathering important information and documents from the candidates. In this step, we will be coordinating with both facilities for their checklists and with the candidate, of course, with all the necessary documents needed for us to get started with their process. And right after that, we will be moving forward to the second step, which is credentialing specialist assignment. This is where we entrust the credentialing process to our team of experts who will guide the candidates throughout the whole onboarding process. In this phase, we will be directly coordinating with the candidates to discuss every step of their credentialing process. His or her file will only be taken care of by one credentialing specialist, which means we can ensure that all needed assistance will be provided to each candidate. Now, we go to the third step, which is the warm welcome and first call. We greet candidates warmly and call them for the first time. Familiar with getting to know each other face? Well, this is it. This step will ensure that each candidate will be comfortable enough with the assigned credentialing to them or credentialing specialist to them, as they will be working hand in hand for the success of the process. Now, one of the crucial parts of our credentialing process is monitoring the credentialing process. Why? Because here we carefully watch over every step of the process. Monitoring is one of the most important aspects of credentialing. This is where we will be able of checking and correcting the documents needed. In addition, this is where we will be informing the candidate if there is still additional information or documents needed. Now, we go on to the final submission and approval. At this stage, we compile and submit all necessary documents to the facility seeking their clearance. So once we hear from the facility that the candidate is all set and ready, it means that we have already successfully credentialed the candidate based on the facility compliance. It just not stop there, guys, because we have the ongoing monitoring. So this is a critical component of credentialing service that we offer here in Tilanis because it goes beyond initial checks to ensure that your healthcare professionals continue to meet the highest standards throughout their tenure with your organization. This still covers reaching out to the providers if there are nearing expired documents or if the facility requests new additional documents while they are working.